What happened?
We see turn 4 again. Gets a little loose.
Same thing. In turn 4, to me, was always one of those corners that you had to anticipate where your truck was going to be. I felt like I always needed to start having a little bit of wheel unloaded out of the truck. If you got to that part of the corner where you needed to, the banking started to flatten out, I always felt like I needed to have the wheel unwound right there, or the truck would snap the back around if I had the front tires turned too far. I always felt like I needed to be in a good position with the wheels somewhat straight coming off turn 4.